Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Voice of the People Party nominates Abhinav Paryat against Ambreen Law. Special assistance given to daily wage mates by Sambor Shillong. UDP announces 32 names of candidates contesting for 2023 elections. And Team Revolution bagged a bunch of gold medals from Guwahati. And now the news in detail. The Voice of the People Party on the 6th of December 2022 publicly announced that Abhinav Paryat will be contesting in the upcoming 2023 elections, standing against Ambreen Lingdor, present MLA of Lemkra constituency, who won from the Congress party but suspended from the party for a short while. While speaking with the media persons, Abhinav Paryat informed that he joined the Voice of the People Party for the very reason that he found it is a new regional party with profound principles and are in sync with his.
Ngangadi Abhinav Paryat yang election berskatu nangina East Shillong ngadi way ni kita candidate mah ulu ada cara pula election dengan su penong kani ka press conference lam ki parlok jungi nangni na VPP ban penshai sa perthai ba ngala rooms po ko VPP but ngala kloy banyetrai na bentaga si kitong chu ko VPP kari kata kada balik bengi wan hang ni mentasi kibun haji sisa baru suka tu kumunga ong ki IP i press ba kibun ba ki nongrem ki besring baru suka tu ngiaya da kawai ka dor ngiaya da kawai ka seng atat hadian ka tu pada mentang ila ya room pada VPP namar banya sim jingmut nim kwa banya kun banya banya penpat penprah penjungi kwa banya teli kana mengila banya cekmat kum kawai ka seng kibun ha ki bangi kwa ban ben bahas su pangasukan tah konstituensi te lapet babon ma ki kambala su sa teng la bun senamenta pen pe ka koi ka khia ru ka kawai ka bai ima ba apa konstituensi nga kwa ban bahas su ya ki dispensary civil hospital nga kwa ru ban ailat ki samla ban yo ya ki lat ban kamai ban khamban bahas su ka kamai ka ji kata ka kawai
BJP MLA of Shillong South, Sambor Shillong, on the 6th of December 2022, distributed a special reward to 658 residents of the constituency who make a living as daily wage mates, including the Asha and Anganwadi. The 600 plus residents were personally venerated by the MLA himself, who is also a Minister of Arts and Culture Department, at a meeting held in Usoso Tham Auditorium, along with the presence of BJP leaders of Shillong South, apart from the working members of the MCIC. Besides the gifts, the MLA also distributed a sum of money to all the cooks of schools, taxi drivers, Asha, daily wage mates, municipal sweepers, pummelers, people involved in working for health and hygiene, and others.
Kalau dia keluar penungnya siang yang lain baru sikit pada tahap yang itu dia tahu maksud beragam kerja berbelang bergabung dalam suku air seperti ya dia lebih biasa suku family kerja ini yang tersisu family suku berpikir lebih
The United Democratic Party on the 6th of December 2022 announced the first list or category of candidates to contest in the upcoming elections in 2023. The names of such candidates was embraced and strengthened by the President of UDP, Meghalaya Lingdor, in a meeting which was held in the party office. The candidates announced on this day included from districts of Khasi, Jantia and Garo Hills. Meghalaya Lingdor also announced that the second list or category will be released soon by the month of December.
In fact, we are the first party to make the first announcement of the list of candidates who are going to contest in the coming Assembly elections 2023. I will read out the names of the candidates whom the State Election Committee has approved on the 22nd of November 2022. I just wanted to remind you that on the 22nd of November, the State Election Committee sat and the State Election Committee approved 32 names. This is the first list, 32 names from the different constituencies, from the different districts of the state of Meghalaya. But unfortunately, because of the Mukro incident, we were not able to make the announcement on the 22nd of November, so we had to postpone it till today.
A group of young mixed martial arts MMA players of Meghalaya, also known as the Team Revolution, under the supervision of head coach Sambor Milingdo and Ferdinand Suchiang, which is situated in Lomsopho Fire Brigade, brought the winning title by claiming a bunch of gold medals in the combat sports mixed martial arts, which was recently held in the capital, Guwahati. This competition was organized by the Warriors Fighting Champion WFC Season 2, in which youngsters in and around the state participated with sheer enthusiasm. The players claiming gold medals in this competition in Guwahati included Kisan Bare, 5-Star Bare, Jo Pajo Nongtudo, Obadaya Klepung, Eibang Langstang, Frederick Kongsit, Shanlang Kongsit, Donbok Nongrum, Mewan Aibok Karbuli, Rayan Nongrum, Rachel Stardakar, and Gregory Sawian.
Him nong giật ú.
The Union of College Professors who received assistance from the government on the 6th of December 2022 expressed their delight and gratitude and specially acknowledged the Meghalaya High Court regarding its decision to eliminate the order to bar the professors from participating in any political aspect, including governing of the state, contesting in the MLA or the MP elections. Bright Starwell Marbanyang informed the media persons that the government of Meghalaya enforced the state education policy since the year 2018 that barred professors to participate in the field of politics. He highlighted that in the month of June 2021, 6 professors of different government colleges complained to the Meghalaya High Court regarding the state education policy ordered by the state government. On the 5th of December 2022, the verdict from the High Court was passed disclosing against the government order that professors cannot involved in politics and political fields.
President Tinsum, Sabau Krenshai, Wangba, Yem Donjing Tmu Ye, Ban Penklai, a notification Yakabaka government Kala Penmi, Henry Kiong, Kikan the Tien Kaba, the Sing on Kabakam Kor, Yang Kai, Wangba. Lada kinong kai kikwa kila bandai syakut tu. Ti nagalian jongi kum kinong kai ki basmo kya Iwan Shikmat, ia Shong, ia Perkat, ia Rai, ba ini leh, baik ban approach direct siapa ka Meghalaya High Court. Te kani ka kes ngala file ho benai Julai mentau senami arajar arpuar but menin so ban ayu mau lembaga High Court ka bala penbena ya kani ka rai ka jongka menin ha ka ba pen scam ya ka kanong rim ka bangi so ka badai bat kata kalong ban weng maror ya kani ka notification jongka government kuma PE kani ka nganget mo kani ka ladan hapo public domain lada pledge hapo ko website jongka Meghalaya High Court pinyo la ban download baro kidan hangtu te menen hi ka santrik mana khat ar mentau snem ka Meghalaya High Court kala rai ban pen scam ya ka nongrim ka bangi kum kinang kai ni small thu bakari ka hok ka jogi bangi don ya ka benta ban contribute ban no senyang habidi batka kani ka kam politics.
The Machaprang movement had requested the government of Meghalaya to honor the women freedom fighter of Hima Nongklau, Pan Nonglan, to the pedestal of freedom fighter of the country. Pan Nonglat was a female soldier of Aim Tirat Singh's Aimli of Hima Nongklau, who fought vehemently along with Tirat Singh in the Anglo-Khasi War of Liberation against the invasion of the British colonial power in this kingdom. She was a woman with strong determination and had misled many British soldiers who fought against Tirat Singh, leading to their ultimate defeat and capture. With this background, the Machaprang leader Michael's Aim has requested the Honourable Speaker Shri Metba Alingdo to push this request to the state and central level in view of recognizing this woman as a freedom fighter of the country. Adding to the cause, Adalbert Nongrum, MLA of North Shillong, strongly supported the request made by the Machaprang movement.
But ban kersan ru ban long an no yaka equitable distribution of self-acquired and ancestral property. Ikam sulul jong panang lai ben I lentiru baka haka kim haka banse syaki jaka bagi senrang kim long su bantur di kintai di bala bandrung haju ki kamratia jong kinong su nga tho nga ai ru tu jing tho sa speaker assembly ba met ba indo ba in pursue me nak yang kum jong kunor ban pursue ban government of India ban state government ban itu no yang panang lai kum ko wen freedom fighters ban jila jungi ye hadin bang la tho iba met ba ni la ai sun ko jing tho su MLA jungi ba adul bon nongrum ban pursue nak jungi nomor ba iru di konsul MLA jong ka mengihak konsul sini hari ni kasi iru di banwan lang di lafun mentan jong ba insawan ba insai update kini ka kini di prosumi ka poi hak adu kenu petan ma kumuyo sumi mentan ni ba met ba ka poi sui ba san bor sulai.
Balajit Rani, the MDC of Nongpo, the working president of United Democratic Party, strengthened the new office bearers and the members of the UDP Youth Wing Ribhoi district on the 6th of December to prepare themselves to work for the upcoming elections in 2023. The new office bearers includes Rojesh Lapang, working president, Juban Swer, vice president, Prosper Dorpang, general secretary, Rahul Makri, assistant secretary, Sweety Maupnyang, Shanang Rongpang and Robinson Umba. The personalities witnessing the event includes Tirat Singh Suchiang, Joint Secretary, State Youth Wing, Richards Aim, President Shillong City Youth Wing, R.R. Makudo, Senior Advisor UDP Ribhoi, Sunshine Makri and elders along with youngsters of the district.
Akan kapor ngayon hangni nagalian jongka Ribhoi District Parents Body, working president jongka Ribhoi District, Nashim yang dengan bentang ban penskem yakhi way to way nadu president secretary but kinangkit kam baro ki estate member baro jong ki youth wing banadu matagasngi kan riu tarik jong benai Disember harajar arpuan la itu ipi bakide kinongkit kam ki bapura jong ka Ribhoi district UDP youth wing banang ni sakman bapin nang pressure hem nagabenta banang kentiu banang penkhlain ya ka parti UDP ke jongi hapo jong ka Ribhoi district
Kasur Kabri Uhnyautrap, under the leadership of Thomas Pasa, went to CBD Dengdo IS Political Secretary to inquire on how long and how much progress is achieved on the investigation on the case of Chesterfield. Thank you. No recording could be made on the decision between CV Dengdo and the union. The police have already done their part regarding the case of Chesterfield. Thank you. The rest of the case is carried over by the state government. The government is still in the process of seeking answers and digging facts and explanation from all the people aware of the murder and potential suspects of a case. Kasur Kabri Uhnyautra still awaits for the government to take action and sentence the people involved and charge guilty as per the law.
Sarkari baca kilaong ba ladap khot ladap pan explanation na hiniki beri. Tengila keliru na iba kanongut kita ki badana kata timuan ibala yo ya kata notice bana explanation tena kalian ngajoi yang ba hang ni hakdak imdan ki nambas ba kini kini sini dan kam insa penbiang ba insa wan man kali ni apa yang kita penginyo kita data kenyan kajing Islam ki ang ba kini ki ba syakol explanation ki panpor ya ka ba ngam ka kalau ko ba ban sutu ban panpor ka itang ban explain ru hab ban panpor ti ka long ka ba ban sutu ikani ban na kalyang jong sarkar yang ba kadang ko proses bagi haban follow ito ya kata ka proses baka department ka iban yan haban yan hari ka jingkali ka bang ibu ang ba lesi kapor kala Islam parat ni klam kaniri ka kasing banungkong bigawan sini spo ka sarkar man kali kene ka kam andrei borosi kata ngil ap kami di baka sarkar kan pendek hidala di ya kamram ka bari banle.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.